What's occurring?
Welcome to Trevayne Farm Caravan Park.
We sitting then? Not too much salad for you, love?
She fills it, she empties it. All right, love?
Enjoying?
Why was the sand wet?
Yeah.
Because of seaweed.
Too much Bombay gin, love? Spruce yourself up, love.
Oh, what's occurring?
Please, if you come in here, don't follow the sat nav.
No. What you laughing at, love?
Nothing.
So if you follow the directions from the webpage, you'll get your fine. But obviously Ria knows better than that. So we ended up nice little trip through all the little tiny roads around Saundersfoot, through Saundersfoot itself.
Yeah,
in
the
our
busy little
truck
beach
to
town.
get you. So a nice little loop of about 4 miles, because Ria knows best.
So rather than me waffle on about how beautiful the site is, I thought that I would speak to the owner and ask him to tell you a little bit about the site. Hi Richard, tell me what's occurring at Trevayne Farm Caravan Park.
Well, we're a family-run park and farm. We've been here since the 30s, my family.
Wow.
And hopefully we'll stay a bit longer. Yeah, we're a 100-acre farm and a 20-acre park. And there's a long history here, and there's a lot of patrons and families that have been coming here for generations. So we have a very old community here, and that makes the place sort of a bit more special than perhaps a normal holiday park. Yeah, this is a simple map of the farm. So surrounding the holiday park you've got farmland, and then outside of the farmland you've got the National Park's coastal trail, and then you've got the beach below the farm here. So we've got 3 static fields, the Croft, Paddock and Hansfield, and then there's a touring field at the front and a camping field here to the south. We are open from the end of March to the end of October.
Fabulous, and then you have a rest.
Yeah, yeah, because we're quite high up here in the winter. It's pretty exposed, so yeah, it's nice to shut the park down, and it's not that hospitable with the winter storms that come in off the coast. So the site has got 90 static plots.
Wow.
And it's got 12 electric point plots in Monkstone Field for touring caravans, and there's 80 tent pitches in the camping area. There's no electric in the camping area, but a little camper van or a tent would be suffice. The nearest pub to here is in the village, 3/4 of a mile away.
Okay, not that far to walk then.
A sobering walk.
What about taxis
Yeah,
around?
you can easily get picked up from reception at the top of the yard, and there's multiple taxi firms that will take you where you want to go. It's important to book really early here, usually in January or by the beginning of February, as most pitches will get booked up until the end of the season. Below Trevayne is Monkstone Beach, and geographically it's right in between Tenby and Saundersfoot on the peninsula between the two towns. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Lovely, Richard, thank you ever so much for the little chat, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
So as you come in to the site, there's 2 separate toilets there with a shower for male and female, and Nelson Point. And then when you go up to the camping side with all the tents and the little camper vans, up there is a huge outdoor, it is covered, but it's an outdoor area, being clean and tidy. It's quite modern actually. They've got the Nelson Point up there, toilets and washing facilities and sinks. There is a site up there that's got an area for seasonal pitches with caravans as well. Friday night we had a chilled night at the van, really, didn't we?
Yes.
Didn't go anywhere.
Wasn't allowed to go to the pub.
So Saturday Well, Saturday was
Lush.
blimmin' lush, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The views around here are absolutely gorgeous, and a bit of sunshine definitely makes a difference to your time away. So Bonzo wanted to come and say hello. He's had a brilliant time away.
You enjoyed? Have you enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
See, yes. Yes. Yeah. Have you?
All right, sit down, man. See, you're winding him up now. He's getting all excited.
Nobody else talks to you, do they?
Yes, you do. I'm the one that takes him for a walk and feeds him.
Poor
Boink,
Bonzo.
boink. Yeah. All right, sit down. Sit. So yes, Saturday, it was the first time that we used the
Well, we were up at 6 o'clock.
kayak.
what?
Wasn't it? A kayak.
When did we get one of them? Kadak.
What was that one it's called? One of them, anyway. You know, one of those things that you barbecue with. We got that out on Saturday.
Yeah.
And we had
Couldn't find the paddles though.
We had a lovely cooked breakfast
Yes.
outside, looking over the views. So the plan is, Saturday, I'm going to go down the beach, do a bit of filming down there, and then come back, spruce yourself up, love, and then get a taxi down into Saundersfoot later on. And then you've got a bit energetic in the afternoon.
Hey.
And no, it wasn't any of that.
Oh.
So we took a walk down to the beach.
Yes. Lovely leisurely stroll down a cliff face. Bloody hell.
It was a lovely walk down. There was a
Wasn't
lot.
a lovely walk down at all.
There was 187 steps apparently. I didn't count them, but I've been told. And it was very enjoyable, but not so much when we went to walk back up.
No.
Was it?
No, not at all.
We had to stop for David for about
No, not
3
for
or 4
me.
times.
For you. Not for me. I was going to jog up it. But it was very steep.
Yeah, and if the tide would have been out, we could have walked round to Saundersfoot or even walked round to Tembe, but it was on this way in that day. So.
Yes, I know, damn. Yeah, so when we climbed down the cliff face onto Monkstone Beach, bloody lovely.
It was lovely.
Yes.
There were many people there, and you can understand why, because it's a hell of a walk down, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. You got to be in tip-top athletic condition to get down there. No issue for myself, but Rian struggled a bit
Yeah, that's right.
with the extra weight. Well, what a beautiful beach. Beach to ourselves, basically. There's Bonzo over there, running free, having a pee. That was pretty spectacular here. Lovely. Might even go for a swim now. Ah, damn. Forgot my bathers.
Oh, your mankini.
Yeah, it's hanging up drying, isn't it, from yesterday? But Bonzo loved it. He had a little dip in the ocean.
Yeah, and I did. You wouldn't. You said it's too cold.
Didn't go soon as
Said
that.
it's too cold.
We've been drawing on him.
No, why? What's that then?
I don't know.
Did you draw on him last night when he was drunk?
No, why did you do that?
Dog abuse. So when we came back up here, we caught the sun a bit, didn't we? I cooked a chilli in the morning.
Yeah.
So
And after that stroll, momentous stroll, we deserved a drink. So we had a drink.
Yeah.
After our spag ball, not chilli.
Oh yeah, spag ball, sorry.
Yes, I know. It tastes the same with it, but
No, you cheeky toad.
you didn't even know what it was.
No, there was this chilli and
What was it?
chilli. And beans. There wasn't any in the spag ball. There's mushrooms in spag ball.
There was mushrooms in it. We had spag
Yeah, so
ball.
we had spag ball. We
Yeah.
didn't have chilli.
You said we had chilli.
I know, I made a mistake.
Well, do I admit it?
So anyway, we had the food and we had a couple of drinks then, but David decided, because he's conscious of his weight,
Why'd you drop that in?
he thought he'd
Nobody
go
would have
on.
noticed.
He thought he'd go on the gin,
Yes.
I don't-
Bombay gin.
Bombay gin. So he'd after a couple of bottles of beer, He
Oh,
drank
only had
a
about
whole bottle of bomb. Well, there's not much blooming left of it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Too much Bombay gin, love.
And go say hello.
Right, do you feel better now? Do you want to switch in for there, do you? So yes, we had some of that, and David, well, I don't know what you looked at. We sat outside the van until about 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, cool.
Very unusual for us because it's the first time that we've been away and we haven't gone to a pub.
About the first time.
Had a drink,
Yeah,
but we didn't go to the pub.
you're off this morning.
Yes. So that's why we had to ask the owner if we could stay a little bit longer because David couldn't drive. So on Sunday morning, we'd noticed that there was a different, unusual unit that was on site, and we had the pleasure of having a little chat with him about Roxy.
Yeah, Roxy. She's
Roxy.
Don't normally like to be cheeky, but she's a big girl.
She was very big.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's have a little look at Roxy, shall we? And have a chat with her owners. So I'm here with Ian and Louise on a Sunday afternoon down in Saundersfoot. They've given me the pleasure of asking them a few questions about their truck.
Roxy.
Roxy, oh there we are. So tell me a little bit about it.
So for many years we've got Land Rovers at home.
Right.
We've travelled Wales, UK, camping with roof tents, kitted out that way. I've always wanted to build a truck. Lockdown came. I was quite sad that I couldn't travel anywhere. So the opportunity came to buy the truck, and it was supposed to be a 2-year build.
Yeah, keeping quiet for 5.
But we then had a few glasses of wine on a Friday night and sent a tweet to George Clark's Amazing Spaces,
All right.
who came back to us and said, will it be finished in 5 weeks? We're coming to film.
Brilliant.
So yeah, from container arriving, 5 weeks it was finished.
Wow.
But we decided on the layout and everything because we've been travelling sort of like to, Canada, America, Australia, New Zealand in camper vans, and every time we complain about it, so we knew how we wanted to lay it out and how it would be designed inside. So
Every time you go in a purpose-built camper van, there's little things that
annoying.
just don't suit us. So, and it is compromise, isn't it, Lou?
Yeah,
Because
couldn't have a
all
king
through the
size
build, can I have a king size bed? No.
bed. Have a double.
Can I get a bigger truck? Was my next question. All in all, buying the truck, having the container made to my specifications, kitting it out. Then there was a new tyre law that meant I had to change all the tyres, or at least the front axle. It owes me 22k.
That's not bad, is it?
There's other people who have purpose-built trucks. The GRP bodies, fully insulated, and they can be up 60-80 grand on the same chassis.
They will be people who are probably going to travel the world and live in them. So, whereas at the moment we are just locally travelling around the UK.
Well, thank you ever so much. Thanks.
Maybe see you in the Overland.
Yes,
Yes,
definitely.
we'll see you at the Overland show.
We've had a lovely morning. The weather is not as nice as it was yesterday.
It was earlier. It's closing in now.
Yeah.
So it's time to head off.
So
we went for a little stroll.
Oh yeah, we went a little stroll and we found another little part of the place that we didn't find yesterday, which looks walk over to Tenby, which is
Coastal
about
Park.
the coastal park.
Over
And
to
that's-
Tenby. Been to Tenby.
We've been to Tenby before, but Tenby is beautiful. And just across from us, which was in our electric pitch,
Yeah, they pinched our electric pitch. We had to move.
we met our youngest
Fan.
fan, really. It was
Bella.
just little Bella. She was adorable and she made her parents subscribe to our channel. So thank you very much, Bella.
Cheers, Bella. Here she is. Hello, what's your name?
Bella.
Bella. Hello, Bella.
And she's gone all shy now. Bella's subscribed to us this afternoon, haven't you?
Have you?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Yeah, you can watch all our videos, you?
Yeah, I've already watched one. The
Have you?
latest one.
Which one?
Um,
Penkethley, was it?
Penkethley,
yeah.
down by the canal and that, is it?
Brilliant. Okay.
Thank you, Bella.
Thank you.
What's occurring?
So while walking around the site, I came across a couple of campers, and they have their birthday next week. So many
Do they?
happy returns. Yeah, and this is them.
Where?
Good lie about his age.
We're having a big
So what's your age, Mark?
60.
Do you say 70? So you're 60, 25th of May?
Yes.
Okay, well, be many happy returns of the day for the 25th of May.
Thank you. Oh, almost rhymes.
It almost rhymes, yeah.
What's occurring?
So final big thank you to Jane and Darren Williams, who I met this morning. They're in the seasonal camping area in Atora. They've been coming here a long time, and they gave me loads of information of places around Wales that we've never been to.
No,
So
but we will do.
But we will do. Looking
And you
at
can
that
come
list,
along on our travels with us.
you definitely can. So thank you very much, Jane and Darren. Big thumbs up for that. Please subscribe, all you viewers out there that watch us. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Are you enjoying what we're doing, what we're showing you?
We don't get many comments. She doesn't bite, mind. But not much. So chuck a comment in.
Yeah, check a comment in if you like it, or if you what more would you like of us?
More of me, less of her. That's the one. Yes.
You look like an orange this morning.
Do I?
Yeah.
Looking cool. Ah,
Did he look like an orange?
told you I don't follow fashion. I set it.
Got the sun yesterday as well, didn't we? So your face looks a bit like a beetroot.
It's not. It's just I'm a bronzed Adonis. Yes, thanks to all the subscribers. Really appreciate it. And all of you that watch and don't subscribe, you can just... There she is, doing her chores. Yeah, woman's work is never done. She fills it, she empties it. All right, love?
Oh, what's occurring?